All right, here are a list of the tools I use to replace the fog light on a 2020 Nissan Altima, going from left to right. A cordless ratchet with a 10mm socket, a plastic clip removal tool, a flat blade screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, one of the first things you want to do is pop the hood. We are gonna press this latch upward and it should release. Okay, we're gonna go to the bottom. Now there are usually 10mm bolts along this edge of that front bumper cover. The cover's missing, or it's been torn off, but there are still a few 10mm bolts here, there, and there. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove those. All right, we're gonna come to the side here and kind of wiggle our flathead blade into here. And that's gonna give us access to that 10mm bolt right here. And now we're gonna go to the other side and do the exact same thing. All right, now I'm gonna come to the top and I'm gonna remove these clips. Okay, now there are gonna be 2 more clips holding this front bumper cover on at the top. There's gonna be one here after you take the upper radiator cover off, and there should be another one right there, but that one's missing. So we're gonna go ahead and just remove that one. Okay, we're gonna come here, back here, and we're gonna tug on this to release the bumper cover from those bumper retainer brackets that run along this fender. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing at the front of the vehicle. All right, now we're gonna head back behind this bumper and remove the fog light connector and the turn signal lamp connectors. Okay, I'm gonna press down on that tab there to release the fog, the turn signal lamp connector, and there is another connector right here. Okay, so basically what I did was take that connector, which was turned that way, so So I took that connector that was turned that way and I wedged my clip tool right here to release it. Right? My clip tool released it right there on that. Okay, we're gonna go to the other side and do the exact same thing. Okay, there's also gonna be a sensor that you want to unplug right here before you completely remove the bumper cover. So also be mindful of that. I'm going to show you guys how I removed it now. Okay, now that we have the front bumper cover off, we have access to the fog light and the turn signal light. So we're going to use a Phillips head screw to remove these two bolts holding that turn signal lamp and this clip tool here. This clip, plastic clip retainer holding the turn signal lamp as well. Now I'm going to take my Phillips head screw driver and remove this Phillips head screw and this Phillips head screw. Just pull up and it should come right out. Okay, now I'm going to use my 10mm cordless ratchet with my 10mm socket, and I'm going to remove this bolt here, which is a 10mm, and that bolt there, which is a 10mm, to remove my fog light. And it should just wiggle right on out of there. Be very attentive to how it seats back in. That tab there sits right in there, as well as these tabs here will seat in there. And you may have to reuse these screw clips here on the new bumper cover, so keep those close by just in case. All right, I'm gonna grab my fog light and I'm gonna be sure to seat it properly. And don't forget that these tabs here are meant to go above that retainer nut clip and below it on both sides. All right, let's go ahead and place those where they need to be. You'll also know that they're where they need to be because you'll be able to place screws inside of the bolt holes. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten those down. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna take our turn signal lamp and install it into this new bumper cover. So you wanna be sure that you place that correctly. It should be placed correctly over this screw hole and that screw hole, and as well as that retainer clip hole. All right, now before you go any further, one thing you can do is turn the bumper cover straight up and go to the front and make sure that everything is aligned properly and looks correct. So let's do that now before continuing. Okay, everything looks to be intact. It's sitting in place how it's supposed to sit around those edges. And now we're gonna go ahead and continue and place that back in there. Now you may have to finagle it a little bit to actually get it to sit in there correctly. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put our screws in, which were Phillip head screws. One here, one here. Let's just get those started. Because these are new holes, you may have to apply a little bit of pressure on them to get them started. So that's probably the best idea. Plastic clip retainer and place it right here in this hole and lock it in. Sometimes these things can get stuck on the teeth, so you kind of have to take something sharp and press those teeth in around the edges to kind of get it to seat properly. Once it's seated, go ahead and press that lock and tab at the top in, and there we go. All right, now we're gonna go back to the front of the bumper cover to see if everything looks aesthetically pleasing. We're looking at the front. Everything looks pretty flush. And that's how you replace the fog light on a 2020 Nissan Altima.